Okay, so today what we're going to do is solve equations. Solve equations. And as I'm getting used to using the software we're using for this course, hopefully my handwriting will get better. And hopefully it will actually work. I don't know why it's not working right now. And there it goes. Oh, that clicks it. Okay. So our first step in solving equations is distribute. Okay, meaning get rid of the parentheses. Our second step is combine like terms, meaning get things that look like together. The third step is cancel the smallest x. So what you do here is you pick whichever one's smallest, if there are more than one, and you want to move it to one side of the equation. You don't want your x's on a separate side of the equation. Then the final step is to isolate x, meaning get it by itself. Okay? So, an example of this, if we can turn our side, would be something like this. Say we have 2 times x minus 4 is equal to 5x plus 6. Now I just made this up, so this might not work out to be even, but that's okay too. We like fractions. So the first step, distribute, means we distribute the 2. So we're going to have 2x minus 8 equals 5x plus 6. Alright? I'm going to draw a line because I like to know which side of the equation things are moving to. Now you're going to go ahead and cancel the smallest x. Well, 2 is smaller than 5, so I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides of the equation. So I'll have negative 8 is equal to 3x plus 6. Now the x is on this side of the equation, so I don't want to move it again. Once you move it once, it stays where it is. So what I'm going to do instead is move the 6 to the other side of the equation. So I get negative 14 is equal to 3x. Now I want to get this x by itself, so I'm going to divide both sides by 3. These go away because when you divide by itself, it becomes 1. So my answer, even though it's a fraction, we like improper fractions in Algebra 2, is going to be negative 14 over 3 equals x. And then to double check that, what you can do is type this in the calculator and plug it back in for this x, plug it back in for this x, and make sure they actually equal. If they don't actually equal, then you didn't do it right and we need to try again. So that is a little bit of a review of solving equations, and that's what we're going to do our little quiz over on Sophia.